जय महाराज जी की to everyone. Sache Darbar ki jai. My name is Dev Kapani, and for today's satsang, our topic is my spiritual superhero, and the base of this satsang would be life. So I would start this topic with a question. Basically, I would tell you what is life. So life is a line segment, a simple line segment between 2 points. The two endpoints of the line segment are point B and point D. Now, what do these points stand for? What does point B and point D stand for? Point B stands for birth, meaning the birth is the day when we are born, and death means the day we leave this earth. So, the life is a line segment between B, birth, and D, death. And as you know, if there are two endpoints in a line segment, B and D, there is one more alphabet between these two letters. What comes between B and D? C. So, C comes in between the line segment. And what is the meaning of this alphabet C? The meaning of this alphabet C is choice. Now, choice means how we are supposed to spend our whole life. And the life is the line segment. So, choice is the most important part of our life. Now, I can explain this topic, this term choice, with the help of an example. Suppose you are in a car which is stuck in a traffic jam or something, and you are at such a position where your car can neither go ahead nor it can go backwards. Now here you have two choices if you want to reach on time, but you are not supposed to reach where you want to go. Here, either you can sit all the time cripping about your situation, like, oh my god, what would I do? Or what you can do is you can spend this time in doing something creative or positive. You can have some good thoughts in your mind, you can finish your work, you can read a book or anything. So you can spend that time positively. So this is your choice. In one sentence, I would say you cannot change the situation, but you can definitely change the reaction you have towards your situation. So basically, choice tells us that what do we want to become in the future. That means, like, अगर आपकी choice अच्छी है तो you can become a good person when you grow up. You can become a good and a positive person who has good thoughts. Or if your choice is not good, it is bad, you can become a bad person when you grow up and a very annoying person who nobody likes. So I would now explain this choice with a story of my favorite spiritual hero, who is Swami Vivekanand ji. So, that time Swami Vivekanand was studying for his AF exams, and his name was Narendra. So, Swami Vivekanand's name was Narendra. Narendra was studying one day for his exams. That's when in his neighbor's house came रामकृष्ण परमहंस जी. तो रामकृष्ण परमहंस जी जो थे वो जब उनके पड़ोसी के घर आए तो उन्होंने कहा कि स्वामी जी आप रुकिए, आई विल गो एंड कॉल नरेंद्र. और नरेंद्र जो है वो बहुत ही मीठे भजन गाता है. तो he went and called Narendra. Narendra, when he came to his house, he started singing a beautiful bhajan, and Swami Paramhans ji was so delighted to listen to his bhajan, he just went into samadhi. And when he came out of his samadhi, he held his hand and said, Narendra, I live in Dakshaneshwar, you should come there definitely. At that time, Narendra didn't think much upon it, and he said, okay, I'll come. Later, as years passed by, one day Narendra was sitting and thinking about what to do. Suddenly, he started thinking about God and positive thoughts. and that's when he decided that मुझे भगवान का साक्षात्कार करना है. I want to come in contact with God. So what he decided, he knew Rabindranath Tagore ji's father. His father used to sit every day in the middle of a river in his boat and do sadhana. So what he did, in the cold freezing nights of winter, he walked towards the river and then he swam across the cold water and then he went to Rabindranath Tagore ji's father, Thakur ji, and he said, आपने कभी भगवान का साक्षात्कार किया है? Have you ever come in contact with God? Because I see you every day sitting here and doing sadhana. Have you done such thing? So Thakur ji replied, no, not such. But why are you asking? But Rabindranath Tagore ji, Narendra was not much impressed by this and he came back. But Rabindranath Tagore ji's father sat again and started doing his sadhana. So at that time, Narendra, what did he do? He remembered that once Paramahansa ji called him to his ashram in Dakshineshwar. So what he did, he quickly packed his bag and he went to Dakshineshwar to meet his Paramahansa ji. At the day when he arrived at his ashram, he saw that Paramahansa ji is sitting with his disciples, his students, under a tree in sadhana. As he entered the ashram, Paramahansa ji spotted him and said, "Oh, you're here. I was waiting for you since last many years." And you would not believe, Narendra did not answer his question and he directly asked, कि आपने कभी भगवान के साथ साक्षात्कार किया है? Meaning, like, have you ever come in contact with God? So Paramahansa ji replied, yes, I did, and I can make you do that too. After listening to this reply, Narendra got happy and he convinced himself to stay with Paramahansa ji. And Narendra stayed in Paramahansa ji's ashram for nearly 5 years. In these 5 years, he worked a lot. He did sadhana, he did meditation, he did tapasya, and at last he also came in contact with God. He also did the sakshatkar of the Supreme Lord. So now, coming back to my point, which was choice, I will tell you this choice with Narendra, what Narendra made. Narendra made the choice that after listening to Thakur ji's reply, he could just sit away and then he would just be saddened and say, oh my God, like इतने सालों से जो तपस्या कर रहा है उसने भगवान का साक्षात्कार नहीं किया, तो how can I do it? But no, he decided to go in search for Paramahansa ji so that he could work hard and he could achieve his goals, and he did. So that's the choice what Narendra made. Once his ashram friend Guru was sitting with him, and Narendra knew that कि ये भगवान के साकार रूप को पूछता है. मतलब जो गुरु था वो भगवान के साकार रूप की पूजा करता था. So what Narendra did, he said to Guru, मैं जब साधना में बैठा हूँगा, you just touch me when I'm doing sadhana. So Guru said, okay, I'll do that. And as Guru touched Narendra, his thoughts automatically changed. उसके पूरे विचार बदल गए जितने टाइम जैसे ही उसने नरेंद्र को टच किया. क्यों? Because Narendra's thoughts were totally pure. However, Paramahansa ji, who was sitting in another room, जो दूसरे कमरे में बैठे थे, वो इतने कनेक्टेड थे नरेंद्र से कि उन्होंने वहीं से आवाज लगाई, नरेंद्र पहले संचय कर लो फिर बांटना. And then Narendra realized his mistake and he said sorry. So this is how Narendra changed his whole life which was just because of his one choice, and that was to move forward and look for his guru. So this is how we can develop our lives. We can change our lives just because of our choice. If our thoughts are bad, our life would be totally destroyed. हमारी लाइफ बर्बाद हो जाएगी अगर हमने चॉइस अच्छी नहीं की. और यही अगर हमारी चॉइस अच्छी होगी, if our thoughts are good, if our choice is good, हमारी लाइफ पूरी ही बदल जाएगी अगर हमने किसी सदगुरु का दामन पकड़ लिया, हम उनके पाथ पर चले, तो our life will become so good you cannot imagine. So from this I end my speech. Jai Maharaj Ji ki. Thank you.
Thank you, Dev. That was very inspirational.